What's that, Max? What's that? Max, what's all this? What'd you do? Where's your stick? Bring it in. Come on. Where is it? Morning, guys. Aaron here with my mate Max in the background there. We've just gone for an early Sunday morning sup. We're out on the water before the sun came up, which is pretty awesome. Found a little beach and we're having a bit of a cook up, having a coffee. And this video isn't about camping on the beach on the sup, although I do definitely want to do that. This video is about how when I was camping with the family, took the sup and a crab pot and caught some mud crabs. So pretty stoked that I was able to catch them first time around. Never caught them before, let alone catch them from the sup. So I got a bit excited in the video, so please excuse me, but here it is. Hope you enjoy. All right, guys, thought I'd try a bit of sup crab pot laying. Here we are. Crab pot, there's the rig. Oh, there goes the float, it's attached, it's all good. It's a mullet half, strapped up top and bottom, so she's not going anywhere. You can see we're just skimming over some real shallow water here. It's about 3 hours to high tide, so the water's coming in even more. Here's a good look around me. So let's see how we do. It's raining. I just love being out on the water on this sup, I tell ya. It's so good to be able to head out, take something as simple as a bit of plywood and just go out and explore, find some new waterways, see some new environment. You know, it's a pretty special thing. So it's raining and I don't even give a damn. Another good thing about the rain, no one's going to come in here and try and steal my crab pot. I think I'm the only dude out in the water today. The wind's picking up, rain's getting stronger. Well, it's not too bad. A couple of spots, but definitely picking up. No one's coming out here today. You see how shallow the sup can go in. You can see how much or how little water the sup needs to float. Man, there is barely 10 centimeters there, and she's just cruising in with the tide. Very cool. Ditched the sup and proceeding on foot through the mud and going to head down there just away, probably, I don't know, 20 meters or so, and that'll be us. There's the sup there behind me, looking pretty sweet. You can see there, she floated all the way up here through that really narrow section there, and there's only just touching the bottom right here. So want a shallow draft sup that you can build yourself? There it is, right there. Crab pot set. The half a mullet there is just touching the water, which means the scent will be able to get around inside the water. Tide's still got another 3 hours to go, so it's going to come up up to 40 centimeters. So they'll be well out of the water, well in the water. Oh, all right, crab pot is set. High tide is at a little after 3, so another 3 hours to run. So I'll probably come back here at about, I don't know, about 5-ish, about 2 hours after high tide. I don't want to leave it too long so that the bait is no longer in the water. So maybe even an hour after high tide. Excited, super stoked to be catching some fresh mud crab from the home built sup. Can't wait. Nice to give the board a bit of a clean. Don't want too much muck on there. There we go. Let me give the pluggers a rinse. Get it looking pretty for the camera. All right, so we come back here with the mate ads. We're going to check the crab pot. Tide's up and rain stopped. You can see all the difference, how much water we got in here now versus before. Fingers crossed, we got some crabs in here. There she is, little white deliverer of crabs. Lots more water in here now than before. We have crab. One crab. One little crab. How big's the little one? Too small. Too small. And the big one is big enough. Yes, indeedy. Alright. Come here. Oh, yeah. You, young squire, are a keeper. Success. DIY sup strikes its first crab blow.
One from one.
One from one. I don't know. There you go. Adge is going to shoot the rapids. Under the bridge. Oh, Krabby's trying to escape. Stay in there, boy. Looks like there's plenty of clearance. Huh? Looks like there's plenty of clearance. Oh, mate, shitloads.
Daddy caught it so we could eat it.
Oh, yummy.
Whereabouts in Sydney are you?
Zealand. Ask your parents if you have any.
Oh yeah, I owe you $50.
So I hope you guys enjoyed that as much as I did. You can see I was pretty excited there catching a mud crab for the first time on the sup. So love that experience, I really did. And I love the fact that with the sup, because it's got such a shallow draft, it can float easily in 8 centimeters of water. Whereas my other sup with the big, deep, surf style fin on it, it just drags every time I try to go shallow. So I was able to weave my way right up to the back of those mangroves there before high tide. Tide came in, crab pot was flooded as was planned. Caught a couple of those crabs, obviously one big one to catch and sorry to keep and one to throw back. But yeah, awesome experience. I really loved that. I was going to try and get some footage of the family eating the mud crab, and I got the wife onto doing that, and I don't know where she's put it. So she's in trouble, but the mud crab tasted delicious and everyone had some. So good times all around. Rest assured, it was eaten, it was delicious, and it was certainly not wasted. So yes, Max, yes, look, here we go. There you go, good boy. So yes, thanks for watching, guys. To all the people that I've sent plans to, I hope you're going well on your build. If you've got any questions, let me know. But get out there, keep building, and have some experiences like Max and I are having right now. It's pretty awesome fun. So cheers, and I'll see you next time. What's in there, buddy? Get your proteins. Big drink of milk.
Yeah.
Is that good, buddy?